Hi, my name is Nicola Jones. I'm the Head of Nursing for Learning Disability Services for Betsy Cadwallader University Health Board. Learning Disability Nursing is one of the most exciting, rewarding and diverse roles you're ever likely to do.
Hello, my name is Sharon Blundell and I'm a first year Learning Disabilities Nursing student here at Bangor.
Hi, my name is Jez Shea. I'm a lecturer on the Learning Disability Nursing course at Bangor University.
My name's Melissa. I'm a second year Learning Disabilities Nursing student from Bangor University.
I love working with people with learning disabilities. You learn something new every day.
The Learning Disabilities Nursing is quite different from the other fields of nursing. So the Learning Disabilities Nursing role is about improving and maintaining a person's physical and mental health. It's about reducing barriers to them being able to live independently, and it's also about them leading fulfilling lives.
I think LD nursing, learning disabilities nursing, it's a really important role. It's important to have a specified specialist role catered specifically for people with learning disabilities, as they do have diverse needs. So I think it's really important to be trained to work specifically with people with learning disabilities.
I've been a learning disability nurse for more than 20 years now, and I still love the job. No 2 days are the same because no two people are the same. People with learning disabilities and their carers are among the funniest, the strongest and the most resilient people that I've ever met, and I still feel passionately about ensuring that these people have the same opportunities in life that everybody else does.
We have various specialist roles within our services. This includes complex needs service, our health liaison service where they work within the district general hospitals, and our primary liaison service with the GPs, our community learning disability services that are based across the whole of North Wales, and our inpatient services, alongside our enhanced community residential services. All of these areas require the skill and knowledge of learning disability nurses. We also have the opportunity for our learning disability nurses to work within the prisons, within the voluntary sector and within our independent sector.
Before studying at Bangor University, I worked in social care, supporting adults with autism and learning disabilities. I believe that studying to be a nurse will enhance my previously learned skills and knowledge and develop into a professional role that's fun and challenging.
Learning disability nursing is about empowering people in the best possible way. It's like the science of kindness, and it's something that's enriched every aspect of my life.
So, as a learning disability nurse, it's about evidence-based practice and being focused and being reflective. For me, working with learning disabilities, I've worked with learning disabilities quite a few years now, and I enjoy that no 2 days are the same. So for me, the learning disabilities individuals that I've worked with, I've enjoyed watching them progress in life. I've enjoyed seeing them move on in life. I've seen them gain employment, and it's been amazing to see how they fitted into communities, how they've gained voluntary work within the communities. So it's all positive for them in that respect. You know, they had support to do these things. Some of them will go with support to their employment. Some go to day services with or without support, just depending on the abilities of these individuals.
We're a valuable member of the multidisciplinary team where our knowledge and skills are key in supporting the individual to ensure their outcomes within their life are achieved.
I want to become a learning disabilities nurse because I want to be an advocate for those who have a voice but might not currently be heard. I'm passionate about championing people's rights and challenging discrimination.
Working in a collaborative, person-centred way is an essential skill for a learning disability nurse to enable the individuals to achieve the outcomes that they so desire.
Although no 2 days are the same, it's important to remember these are individuals and we treat them as individuals, so every person is different.
I feel like everyone could learn something from people with learning disabilities, such as learning to communicate in different ways. I also think people with learning disabilities can teach others about acceptance and embracing who you are as a person without worrying what other people might think about you. Most importantly, I've learned the value of strong relationships, both personal and professional. Learning disabilities nursing is unique, as you can work with someone throughout their whole life, and knowing you can help to make positive changes in someone's life is such a huge motivator to go to work. I'm really proud to be entering a career with such incredible value, and I wouldn't change it for anything.
It's been the best thing I've done. I feel proud, I feel passionate about it, and what made me want to study at Bangor was that obviously, one, I live close to Bangor, I'm local. Two, they have the gold standard of excellence. All the tutors are very approachable and nothing's too much trouble for them. So this year's been particularly challenging due to the COVID situation, but we've had distance learning, we've carried on with our learning, and that's been brilliant. So for me, Bangor would have always been my first choice.